Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Kia Picanto 2. This car comes with the 1.3 petrol engine, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 65 miles to the gallon. An insurance group of 5, so ideal for new drivers, and road tax is free each year. The mileage is just over 28,000 miles and the car comes with full service history. This particular colour is called Galaxy Black. And as we look inside, on the Picanto 2, the car comes well equipped. So a few features I can mention to you. You have your CD player there in the centre with Bluetooth for your phone, as well as your climate controls just below that. And then you have 2 cup holders for the front passengers, as well as a USB port there in the centre. And then on the driver's door card, you have your 4 electric window controls and your folding mirror switch as well. For a small hatchback, there's a surprisingly good amount of legroom and headroom in the back of the Picanto. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have a cup holder there in the centre as well. And as we open the tailgate, you have your split folding rear seats there, and your parcel shelf is still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, I'll show you, you also have your tyre inflator kit there as well, which looks untouched. Externally, the car comes with the 13-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can then extend up to 3 years, and with a finance for just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.